Welcome to Quad Tech. Many users face an issue where their hotspot or Wi-Fi sharing is only available on the 5 GHz band, making it invisible to devices that only support 2.4 GHz. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this on Windows. The 5 GHz band is faster, but has a shorter range and is not supported by some older devices. If your devices can't find the hotspot, switching to 2.4 GHz will solve the problem. Click Edit under Network Properties. Change the network band to 2.4 GHz. Click Save and restart the hotspot. After applying these settings, your hotspot should be visible to all devices. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tips.